Tommy's dogs are running faster than mine.
Ah. Inflectional endings. Lots of them in that sentence.
What endings?
Inflectional. An inflectional ending is a letter, or group of letters, that are added to the end of the word and change its meaning slightly. So, in your sentence, I can see 4 different examples of them. Shall we break the sentence down and look into those inflectional endings?
Sure.
Okay. So, the first inflectional ending is found after the word Tommy. The apostrophe and S are used to show ownership. Tommy's implies something that belongs to Tommy.
His dogs.
That's right. Tommy's dogs. The dogs belong to Tommy. That computer belongs to you, so we could say Owen's computer to show that it belongs to you.
So, you just added an apostrophe and an S to my name, to show that the computer belongs to me.
Exactly.
So, if a book belonged to you, we would say, Laura's book.
Yes. That was the first kind of inflectional ending. Let's look at the second kind in your sentence. Dogs. Dogs has an S at the end, but this time there is no apostrophe. Do you know what that means?
That Tommy has more than one dog.
Right. Dogs is plural. Usually, when we talk about more than one thing, we add an S to the end of the word. So we would say, books, cats, computers.
Flowers, tables, paintings.
But there are exceptions. The plural of child is not childs, it's children. The plural of foot is not foots, it's feet. And more. We need to learn these exceptions separately.
Okay.
The third kind of inflection is the one that tells us what tense the verb is in. Listen to this part of the sentence. Are running. The letters I, N, G at the end of run tell us something is being done right now. Right now, you and I are
talking.
The letters ing at the end of the verb talk turn it into talking, which tells us that we are talking right now. There are other inflectional endings that tell us what the tense of a verb is, that is, when something is happening. I painted a picture this morning. The verb paint and the letters E, D at the end of it tell us that something happened in the past. I cooked dinner yesterday. The base word cook and the letters ed at the end tell us that something happened in the past.
Got it?
Last but not least, there are inflectional endings that we add to the end of an adjective to compare two other things. So in your sentence, Tommy's dogs are running faster than mine. The base word fast and the letters e, r, at the end, tell us that something is more than something else.
Stronger, weaker, lighter, darker.
Yes. Or strongest, weakest, lightest, darkest. By adding e, s, t, to the base word, we show that something is the most of all. So a great athlete might be the strongest in the world. A scientist might be the smartest in the world. A grandparent might be the kindest person we know. And so on.
So, inflectional endings are
letters at the end of words that change their meaning a little. They can show ownership, form the plural version of a word, give us clues about the tense of a verb, and compare two different things.
I understand. Thank you, Laura.
Great job, Owen.